Hello there. I bumped into a neighbor of mine the other day, and he was struggling with a 6-gallon jerry can. So I pulled over to give him a hand. He's got arthritis quite badly in his hands, and the bottom of the jerry can that has a little indent on it is very difficult for him. I even have trouble with it. So when I came home, I thought about it, and I made something that I think will help him. Come in a little closer and I'll show you what I did. So what I came up with was a piece of plywood. I just screwed a piece of wood to one end, and at the back end I cut out a hole to make a nice handle. The jerry can sits here and you strap it on. It works so well, I made one for me. This is a full 6-gallon jerry can, and I just strapped it to this. I'm going to call it an easy grip for lack of a better term, but it works really well. I've got great control. It's very secure. He loves it, and I love it. If this could help someone, that'd be great. Take care.